Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the vector's magnitude. I briefly discussed this in the first vector video that I had done. And basically the magnitude is equal to the length of the vector. In other words, we're going to calculate C here, which will be the length. And like I had said in the previous video, basically to do that, we use the Pythagorean theorem and we take A's x component squared plus A's b component squared. We take the square root of that. That'll calculate the magnitude or the length of the vector. As you remember from before, a vector is notated by having an arrow above it. Well, whenever you see a double pipe on either side, on both sides of the vector itself, that's indicating to take the vector's magnitude. So this up here means the vector A's magnitude is what we're using in our formula. So here we have vector A, which is 1, 2, and then the magnitude ends up being roughly 2.2361. That is the length of this vector. And that's basically by taking 1 squared plus 2 squared, take the square root of that. And that's the result you'll get here, which works out to the length. So we're basically calculating the hypotenuse of a right triangle. If you look here in gray, you can see I have a right triangle indicated here. So this would be your angle, okay? This is the direction of the vector. And then here we have the adjacent side and the opposite side. And then, of course, this would be the hypotenuse. So thanks again. I'll continue with a couple of more videos shortly. Thanks again for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And be sure to click the bell to get notified when I come out with new videos. And thank you for watching.